Welcome back to our series about 5 mistakes people usually make when they start on Pinterest. So what is the second mistake? If you missed the first video about the first mistake, just click here and first check what is the first mistake. And now we're going to see the second mistake on Pinterest. Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm Pinterest expert and Pinterest strategist. I am here to help you to show you what is the maximum potential of Pinterest for your business. So let's go back to the second video about classic and most common mistakes users make when they start on Pinterest. What is the second mistake? So it's basically you don't verify your website, blog, or e-shop with Pinterest. What does it mean? You see here on my business account, this website has been claimed. So you see this kind of like a check. So it's very important that you claim your website with Pinterest, with your domain. So you cannot do it, let's say with Etsy or YouTube or any other, or Instagram. You cannot claim because YouTube or Instagram or Etsy, it's not your domain, right? So your domain, it's like in my case, pininspiration.com. You bought it and you have basically you are telling Pinterest, okay, this is my website. I have my products, my e-com, I have my shop or any kind of blog. Maybe you are a blogger. So you have this domain and I have my content there. So you telling Pinterest, okay, I'm going to verify this website with Pinterest. So I'm going to publish all my content on this account. You see, all of this is my information, my pictures, my brand visuals. And this is basically telling Pinterest, okay, you have the right to do it because you have business account, the website, which is connected and verified. Another thing is that you also can see on your, let's say on your pins that I have this, do you see next? Right here, this like my picture, my profile picture, and also my name of the account, Pin Inspiration Online Business. And you can see a little bit about my account here on the right, if you see, and below the description of pins. If you have no verified this information, you didn't verify your website with Pinterest, you don't have this information. And it's basically telling Pinterest it's not going to basically show anybody your profile like this, and nobody can follow you also on your profile. So if we go to home feed on Pinterest, you're going to see who has actual account, who has verified website, who doesn't. Maybe there are some just pins, like a picture somebody put on Pinterest without even having account. Maybe we can have a look here. Homes to Love, yes, they have actually a verified domain, as you can see with the profile. Let's see if this one has. Also has, but if you click on them, you can see, okay, they are a verified merchant. So that's the red check. So they are totally verified with Pinterest. But let me see if we're going to find someone who doesn't have any verified account. Maybe this one. This is like that. Okay, this one is totally personal account. Do you see the difference? This is a personal account. You see there is no availability. There is no option to actually connect your website on your personal account. You don't have the camera image. You also see there is no any website here. So it's just the personal account of somebody, of Alexandra. And we cannot even like verify if there is any website because there is no option for this, right? They're using the personal account. So this is very important to have. And you see, she doesn't have really any picture here because it's a personal account, but also there is no information. So you see here, there's just picture of this. It's basically a picture with, it's not even pin. It's a picture somebody put on Pinterest. And that's how you understand the algorithm. You see there is no any account, no information, no title, no description, no profile picture or logo or anything, no information whatsoever. So what does it mean? They don't have website. This is just a picture somebody put there. There is no account, there is no domain. Yeah, so it's very important that you basically have verified your business account with this website, e-shop, online store, blog, or anything. So that's the second mistake people usually make, and it's very important that you do it. So avoid this mistake. And subscribe here for more tips, because next video we are going to see another mistake people usually make on Pinterest. So you don't want to miss it. Subscribe here to my channel and you will see the next one. Bye, see you later.